All right, y'all, on Christmas 2023, so we got a drone for Aiden right here. Okay, but we're also gonna use this drone to check out gutters for gutter cleanups. Okay, we have to go like on the second story or the first story. All right, so that way if we have to do a roof wash, we can look up there to see if the gutters got to be cleaned. All right, that way we have to charge more for a quote for the gutters too. So there's the first time for the first takeoff. You ready, Aiden?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. There it goes. There's a DJI Mini 2 SE. And we're having not technical difficulties. This is his first time flying it.
Takeoff.
There's Anna.
Point updated.
Okay, and there goes right there. There's a screen, y'all, right here. Okay, go to the roof, Aiden. There it is up there, y'all. Okay, we're gonna look at the roof. Look, we're looking at the top of the house right now. There's a roof, y'all. Can you get closer, Aiden?
Okay.
Without crashing it on the roof.
I'll try.
Okay, there it is, y'all, right there. Oh, look, there we go. We can see the gutters. You see the gutters, y'all? So the gutters look. So this is good, y'all. If you want to look at the gutters, okay, before doing a roof wash. If you have to quote a little bit higher for a roof wash, you could. All right. There we go. Do we have, look, you see like kind of dirty right there. So it's kind of like we're running out of daylight, so we could barely see. So this may just be dirt, there's not leaves. There we go, y'all. It's pretty good. What do you think, Aiden? Is it easy? Is it easy, Aiden, to fly?
Easy.
Very easy.
Very easy.
All right, bring it in. Aiden's gonna go and bring it in right now. All right, so that's just a basic of what we're gonna use the Mini for, just to look up on top of gutters. All right, if I gotta do a roof wash. All right, I gotta look at the gutters just to make sure they're cleaned. Hey, Aiden, what do you think?
It's very good.
Yeah, is it easy to fly?
Yes.
All right, y'all. Hey, hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment for Aiden. Do you have any tips how to fly this drone? Okay, so other than that, he's got to get. He bought him a simple drone last time. Okay, it needs to take him practice for this one. Check it out, y'all. There it is, right there. There's a drone. Say hi, Aiden.